everyone and hello mga kaya, this is Kenneth Trabago and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, andito na tayo sa gate natin going to Dubai. Finally, I have the time to visit my sister in Dubai. So we're just waiting for our plane na lang and then flight na tayo. Let's go. So I'm here now in Dubai. So ayan, waiting na lang for my sister to fetch me and then we'll go straight to Dubai Mall and meet my workmates noon sa City Hall. So ayun, magdi-dinner kami together. So let's go. Sika ay, the card mo.
Doors will open on right-hand side.
Hello guys, so nakapalit na ako. Dito ako sa JLT. Dito nakatira yung kapatid ko. So dito lang sa kaliwa, dito lang sa harap niya. Kung nasaan yung room niya is Marina na. Dubai Marina. So ayun. So nasabi ko kanina na pupunta kami ng Al Saif yata doon sa Old Dubai. But before that, imimit pa namin yung tita ko, kukunin yung car. So magdadrive ako guys dito sa Dubai. Pinakuha ko ng tita ko at ng kapatid ko ng international driving license, driving permit. Sa place ng tita ko and nasa loob na ng car. Naantay ko lang sila, may binalikan lang sa room and syempre si tita ko muna yung magdadrive bago sa driving kasi grabe laki naman ng car, pero yan, excited na ako mag-drive later.
Orderin tante. Ito na yun, Al Saif. So medyo yan girl. So ito na lang po talaga. Sagib natin. No. Nanti. Di ba like madamada na sa kasi dito. Sinanglaw kita.
So we're now here sa
Ito isa?
Kakatapos lang namin mag-ride ng Abra. So now, papunta na kami ng Old Souk. Let's go! Gold Souk, and now we're heading now to Al Saif. Balik na ulit kami. So magra-ride ulit kami ng Abra. So let's go. So we're going back to JLT. We're gonna ride the metro again. So yung bumaba kami dito sa DMCC kasi JLT part na dito. So malapit na lang, lakad lang ng konti, then bahay na. Let's go. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning.
Ayun, for today guys, we'll be going to Dubai Outlet Mall. And after that, punta yata kami ng Dubai Masinat. Souk Masinat ba yun? Or sa Shimmers. So we're now here guys sa Dubai Mall outlet. Sobrang mura naman dito. Ayan.
And that's the porch in front. There you go. There. Then right ka.
Always right. Welcome to Sukma Dinat. Tapos, ang parkingan.
Aluwagan niya nag-350 parking. Like, ito lasong right ka dyan, tapos dyan right. Dito, tibagbaga niya neta na hindi ko mag-abratay tababana kay 20.
Parang Venice.
Well,
Venice pa.
Tapos, di background mo ni Board.
Ito'y.
Laba, ito.
Hi guys, so we're now here at Sukma Dinat. And we're heading to Shimmers. So, doon kami mag-dinner and magtatambay na rin. Guys, ang ganda dito! Guys, ang ganda dito. Nawawala yata kami. So we're now here at Mina Salam and pagod na ako, guys. Dami na naming nilakad papuntang Shimmers. Pero guys, ang ganda dito. Wow. Hi, Burj.
Is it possible that we can ride the Abra here or no?
No, if you
From there to Shimmer to Sukma Dinat? Huh?
but you can take a ride from the Sukma Dinat. We have another Abra station for the
we need to
guest.
pay, you mean?
Yeah, it's been.
We're here.
Ask him, let me know. If not,
So guys, we're here now sa Shimmers. And we're just waiting for our table to be cleaned up and we'll go ahead. Thank you. Ashton.
Pawag ko.